Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to set your screen time and using TikTok application so that you can manage your time efficiently. So let's just open the TikTok application, and after we open it, now you just need to take a look on this button features. There will be like 5 section. Go open your profile. Now click this 3 straight lines on the profile and go open your settings and privacy, and right after that you just need to like scrolling down until you find the activity center. Whenever you got them, go click it. Now the next thing you need to do is just go click the see all screen time data, and after that on the top side there will be like daily screen time. Just go click it, and now you just need to change. You set your own time, so you just need to go click this edit daily screen time here, and then you just need to go click time and just set like how many hours or how many minutes do you want to spend your time with TikTok. If there is no options, just custom time, and you just need to set how many minutes. Let's say here 30 minutes, and then you just need to go click done. You can either apply this for every day, or you can also limit it for specific days. And after you're done, you just need to go click next, and now you already got the screen time limit activate for your account. So after you're playing TikTok for 30 minutes, the TikTok will be automatically out. So that is the way how to set the screen time on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to see you for the next tutorial.